Hello, I'm Hetty Nusma and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you today how to make Swiss dark chocolate ice cream using only 5 ingredients with the Cuisinart Professional Ice Cream and Gelato Maker. Here are the ingredients that you'll need to make a dark chocolate ice cream.
First, add the double cream, whole milk, and vanilla to a medium saucepan and heat over a medium heat just until it bubbles around the edges. Next, stir together the finely chopped dark chocolate with the sugar and add to the medium saucepan. Transfer to a bowl to cool completely. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight.
Okay, now that the ice cream has chilled for at least 2 hours in the fridge, I'm going to take it out and add it to the machine.
Put the lid on and set the machine for about 40 to 50 minutes.
The machine is really easy to use and homemade ice cream is just so good.